Hey everybody, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. I've got one more solution finish video I want to do. Actually probably got a couple more I'm going to try to do for this Crown Vic. If any of you guys watching have a Crown Vic out there, you'll notice that this is the radiator cover, I guess you would call it, like the little shroud or the cover that sits over the top of the radiator. And you know, it doesn't sit out in the sun like, you know, a lot of the trim on the exterior of the vehicle that gets hammered by the sun, but this one does get a lot of heat and you know, just grime and filth, as you can probably tell by this one. And this one's actually been cleaned up really nice, and it's already starting to just look real just weathered and kind of beat down. And I was going to try to tape this and do a 50-50, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is like take this section from like here to like there and kind of do like a little rectangle of an area with the solution finish, and probably go over the top of it with over the top as well, and just see what kind of result we can get on this. We should keep it looking really nice, make it look, you know, better than it does right now. You know, it's not awful looking, but you know, it can just look so much nicer. And so I'm one of those people that when I open the hood to my car, I like everything underneath the hood looking really nice and clean. And I'll probably keep the engine cleaner than I do the exterior on some of my cars, just because it's easier. It's an easier job. There's just a lot less surface area to deal with, and you know, we really just have a couple of different you know, types of surfaces. You got your plastic and sometimes painted surfaces, and sometimes just like bare metal. So there's really not a whole lot you have to do. You know, you're not ceramic coating anything or doing anything crazy underneath the hood, although you probably could if you wanted to. I don't get that crazy with it, but in this video I'm going to show you how to do, you know, your underhood plastics with solution finish. And you know, maybe overkill for some people, but for me, again, I just like it looking as good as I can make it. So solution finish definitely does that. The other project I'm thinking about tackling with solution finish is the cowl area where the wipers sit, because that part right at the base of the windshield always looks chalky and grimy and just you know, ashy, you know, like Ashy Larry. It just looks bad. And noticing on my Crown Vic that it's, you know, really looking funky. So that may be the next solution finish video that I actually do. But enough talking. I'm gonna set this up on a tripod and get to work on this and let you guys see the process. You know, quite simply, it's gonna be clean this with BiltHamber Surfex HD. Make sure everything's dry. Apply solution finish. Wait a few minutes. Remove it, and then go behind that with over the top. And again, I'm just going to try to cut it into like a section so that you can see the difference. So yeah, here we go. I'm ready to get started, but before I do, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, you know, consider subscribing and put that notification bell on so you know when I'm putting out a video. I try to do videos as much as I can, and this was one that made sense because it's cold outside, but I was able to take this off the car and bring it in, so I figured I'd make this video real quick. And what I'm working with here, I got BiltHamber Surfex HD. It's diluted 5-to-1. I got a little Viking scrub brush, which I may or may not use, and I've got this little microfiber utility towel. So I'm just going to focus on this, you know, pretty much rectangle area here. And what you can do is spray your towel and then spray the surface. Don't have to go too crazy with it. And I can see that BiltHamber is already starting to break up the dirt and grime on here without even touching it. So here we go. Just across the surface. Yeah, see, it definitely just picks up all kind of junk off of here. I don't even think I need this little brush at all, really. It's just junk coming off of there, man. Flip to another side here. I go one more round. Didn't really get over there at all, so. So I'm going to take the camera in, and you can definitely tell that BiltHamber does a great job of cleaning the surface. And I'm going to let this dry, give it a few minutes, make sure it's dry, and then we'll go with the solution finish. So you may notice I've got a cardboard box sitting underneath this plastic piece, just because solution finish, as you can tell by the bottle, gets everywhere. And as I apply this, I don't want to get this on my kitchen floor. So, you know, pretty easy steps here. You just want to shake the bottle up a lot and then go to applying it. And so again, I'm going to kind of cut this into a section here. And, open your bottle and just pour a little bit on the applicator. You don't need much. A couple drops here. That ought to be enough. Stuff's already getting all over me. Alright, here we go. Alright, so that wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. This plastic, I think, is just really porous, and so it's really just soaking in the solution finish. But that's the first layer there, and I'm going to give that a few minutes and then go to leveling it off with a microfiber towel. So now this has been about 3 minutes. I'm going to take this grimy, grungy towel, try to level this off a little. So now, I'm going to go behind that with over the top, which is probably overkill. Man, this stuff smells awesome. But I'm going to do it. I don't care if it's overkill or not. Drop on there. It's probably too much. But I'm going to go with this. Seal it in. So that's the process, and I think you can tell. I'm trying to put some light on this. You can really, down here where I stopped, you can see like the difference. It's kind of weird how the light hits this and how it looks in different angles, but this middle section is the one that was done, and then over here kind of tell this has not been done. So kind of like right in that area right there, you can see how it just goes from being, you know, okay looking to like really, really dark and brand new looking over here. So yeah, that's the process, and I'll probably just go with one coat of over the top, and probably finish this whole thing out and let you guys see what it looks like as well, and do some more comparison. I really wanted to do a 50-50, but tape just wasn't sticking really well to the plastic. So probably finish this up and let you guys see what the whole thing looks like done. but hopefully you can tell, you know, right in that area there, not so much here or here so much, but right in this area here is where solution finish is. So I think that looks awesome. All right, well, I'm gonna keep at it and let you guys see the results. Thanks for watching the video, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much.